dog bed, and I couldn't figure out why they weren't using it. Turns out my cat took it over, so this is Scrappy, and Scrappy says, "Fuck your speciesism! This isn't a dog bed. This, my friend, is an oversized cat bed."
Simon!
Hey buddy, you mind if I get my hand back so I can type? Alright. Okay, I'll put it back. I don't have to do my work today.
So I think she's confused. This is supposed to be her litter box. But she doesn't understand that she needs to go potty in the litter box. But she'll get it. Look how cute her little face is. Hi, honey. Hi, Vivis. What you doing? You gotta go.
How she does car rides now. Right? She also likes to look out the window as she sits in her sock.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I was busy thinking about
My fur. You checking on me? It's gonna be okay. What's wrong? It's gonna be okay. Are you sure? I don't think so. Be careful. Paul, I don't think you want to come in here. Oh, and now I've got this one. Kids, can I please have a minute?